up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a really fun video that I haven't done in a while, and that is an unboxing and styling outfits and like looks for some vegan leather bags. The brand is called Sinbono, and they are an eco-friendly, eco-sustainable brand that has made these vegan leather bags that actually just got featured in British Vogue, so that's pretty cool. They've got all of these gorgeous, stunning pieces, and I've got a couple right here. Ow, I just hit myself in the head, for you guys to check out and for us to style together. Now, do I know how I'm going to be styling them yet? No. I'm going to unbox all of these bags, and then once I finished unboxing it, I'm going to show you a couple outfits that I think that it goes really well with. And that's how we are going to do today's video. So, if you are new here, hi, my name is Alanna Pearson. Our channel is about fashion, style, and all of the fun things that come with being a girl. And what we do is a ton of try-on hauls, a ton of styling, a ton of unboxings, and all of those fun things with different brands, businesses, and things I've never checked out before. So I'm really excited to check these out. If you are new here, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications so that you know when I'm posting next. Let's get right into the unboxing. There's actually two packages. This is only one of them, but we will start with this one here. I'm so bad at unboxing things. You'd think I would have gotten way better and way smoother at this by now. Ugh. I am obsessed with their packaging, and maybe, just maybe, that has something to do with the fact that it is marble, and I'm kind of obsessed with marble lately, if my phone is any indication, and also the rest of my house, which you guys can't see, but yeah, I'm obsessed with marble. Sinbono. Lovely, beautiful white and gold marble packaging for these lovely bags. I'm obsessed. Okay, first of all, I love every brand that has a dust bag with it. Like, I think that that's such a key aspect that just makes everything so much nicer when you have a little something to store it in and you can actually like keep all of your stuff nice and clean and safe. I love it. I love it, especially if you're getting a nice bag. Okay, I love that I never remember what I've ordered from these places. This one is a cute little pink like croc style. Oh, okay guys, this is so fun. All right, the strap to go with it, which is a thick strap, which I kind of like because it gives it that little bit more modern style that's been kind of going around lately. Here we are. I feel like this is a cute little, almost like messenger bag to wear around. I love this. As we know, I do like my pink. I've got a little bit of pink on the wall. I did get rid of the pink couch in case you hadn't noticed. We love a good pink bag. I love that they have their logo very small, so it's not like in your face. So the focus really is the bag and the style of it. I love that. On each of the hooks, it also says Sinbono on it. So you do have that little bit extra. And then opening it, it's like magnetized. How fun is that? Like, I love it. And inside here, I'll give you a little peek inside. There's a little pocket right there for you to throw some, oh, maybe it's not a pocket. Yes, it is. Yes, it is a pocket. I lied. A little pocket right there for you to throw some cash and all your other things in, and then everything else you just like slide in the middle. And let us do a phone check because I have a massive ass phone. And it fits. Mine is the Pro Max, so it does fit the Pro Max in it. Yeah, so overall, super cute to style. It's going to be a great piece for the spring. You can wear it anytime though. It's a lovely little like messenger bag style. So if you're going out and you want something that you've got close to you, then this is a great one. Like the thick strap. Love the gold hardware on it. It's a great bag. Ooh, yes. Okay, I do remember this one. I'm obsessed. This one is beautiful. Let me just open her up. Get the little strap out. Give you the whole shebang. All right, so we've got a cute little strap. This one's more of like a little handbag, which we love. Love a little handbag, but I'm obsessed with everything snake print, animal print. I think that they're so cute. And basically, if I were to describe my ideal style, what I like to wear is very simple and like black, white, and neutral. And so having like bags that stand out, shoes that stand out, that's where I really have fun with it. So I love a good accent piece, and the color of this, it's gorgeous. And for being vegan leather, like it seems leather to me. I personally feel like it looks leather. I love the gold hardware. Again, they've got a small logo on it, which is nice. There's also little logos on all of the hardware. Keep it classy. Oh, it pushes out. Oh, that's cute. So this, you like clip. So there, that's how you open and close it. You like clip it. That's so fun. Let's take a peek inside. So what we have got is a small slip on the front for anything that you want to put in, like some receipts and stuff. A little zip pocket on the back to keep some of your stuff safe. So if you're throwing your bag around, like going a little party wild, woo, your money will be safe. And phone check. It fits. There's plenty of extra space. You could also fit your wallet in there. It's great. Perfect. So that's what we have for this lovely little vegan leather snake embossed bag. And next, last but certainly not least, this massive box. And we don't know what's inside because I always forget what's inside. So, all right. Oh, I was so excited for this one. This one is like an ivory bag and I was super hyped for it. How cute is this? Oh, this one I think is totally my favorite bag. I like the style. I didn't think I would love it as much as I do looking at it and feeling it. Like this leather is so soft. I literally could like sleep on this as a pillow. It's freaking, if you're having a crazy night out and you need a bag that you can also use as a pillow, here is your bag. Just kidding. Well, kidding, not kidding. This is soft. You guys, like I don't think I've ever felt a leather bag this soft. I love this. Okay, cute little handbag. Great for spring, great for summer, great for actually all activities. Like winter, you could have a cute little white handbag with your like all black outfit. Have a little accent piece. I think that'd be so cute. As I'm wearing all black. Okay, what do we think? Black and white? Keep it classy? I'm obsessed. I think this is my favorite for sure. They kept the logo small, only on one side, and I love the rouging on the handle, on the base. Like this is stunning. All right, peeking inside, we have some stuffing. We have this. Oh, it's spacious. I don't know if you can see this the same way I can. I'm going to pull out all the little packages again, but it is spacious. The interior is so soft as well. It's got one little pocket for all of your little knickknacks. It's got a zipped up pocket for all of your cash. Again, you can go a little wild and go woo. But it's also the same as the first one where you've got the magnetized top. So it's not going to fall open. You're not going to lose all your things. You don't have to worry about zipping it, zippers getting stuck, anything like that. Like I love how this is put together. This is beautiful. And that concludes our try-ons and stylings of these lovely bags. I was pleasantly surprised by these bags. I wasn't sure what to expect with the vegan leather part of it, but I think that this is beautiful. I think that it's so soft. I think that all of their pieces took me by surprise. They really did. And I would absolutely shop at Sinbono again. I highly recommend grabbing yourself some cute bags for the new year. Get yourself some little style upgrades for yourself. Do it for you. Do it for you. And whatever styles and outfits that you like the best, let me know in the description down below. Let me know which bag you prefer. I think that this is personally my favorite, but I'm curious to know what you guys like. Other than that, that is all I've got. I actually did get a discount code from Sinbono, so it will be linked in the description down below if you would like to shop some bags of your own. I'm just obsessed. I'm actually like so shocked at how much I love these. Other than that, I don't want to ramble too much. So if you could give this video a big thumbs up, I would really, really appreciate it. It helps me to keep creating for you. And I love you guys. I love being able to do these videos. I love being able to create for you. So big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and turn on those post notifications so that you know when I will be posting next. Other than that, check out Sinbono. I will have them linked in the description down below if you want to try anything new. Let me know what you think of these unboxings because I think that they're super fun, but I don't know what you guys think of them. So if you like the unboxings and the stylings, let me know and maybe I'll try and find a couple others that I should do. Other than that, I hope you have a wonderful new year, had a great holiday season, and enjoy your 2022.